Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through fixing the Minecraft GLWF error 65542, step by step, in a clear and beginner-friendly way. This error usually appears when Minecraft cannot detect OpenGL properly, mostly due to outdated or missing graphics drivers. First, close Minecraft completely and check what graphics card your system is using by opening Device Manager and expanding Display Adapters. Once you know your GPU brand, visit the official website of NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest graphics driver for your exact model and operating system. Install the driver carefully, then restart your computer to apply changes. After rebooting, try launching Minecraft again and see if the error is resolved. If the problem still shows up, open the Minecraft launcher, go to Installations, edit your profile, and make sure you are using the correct Java version bundled with the launcher. Avoid using old custom Java versions, as they can cause OpenGL issues. Next, press Windows plus R. Type DXDIAG and confirm that DirectX and OpenGL support are enabled on your system. If you are using a laptop, open Graphics Settings and force Minecraft to run on the dedicated GPU instead of integrated graphics. Also, avoid running Minecraft through remote desktop or virtual machines because OpenGL may not work properly there. If you manually copied OpenGL 32 files before, remove them from the Java folder, as this can trigger the error. Finally, update Windows fully to ensure system libraries are intact. After completing these steps, launch Minecraft once more. The GLWF 65542 should now be fixed, allowing the game to start normally and run smoothly without graphics-related crashes. Subscribe the channel for more videos.